Hey Stephanie, thank you for requesting this video. Today I want to talk about awesome water restoration services. But before we get into that, I do want to shed some light on the 3 different ways on how you can be found on Google. So with that, let's get to it. So let's just say that we type in water damage restoration San Antonio. You will receive these sponsored in the top up here, and that's with paid Google ads and how you can get up there. The second way is the Google Business Profile, which we call the Google Map Pack area, and it can be acquired by updating citations and also updating your business profile. 30% of your business will be acquired through here. Thirdly, this top 3 position area, which is we call the organic section, 70% of your business will be acquired through here. So with that, in a nutshell, that's pretty much the 3 different ways you can be found. Now let's talk about boosting the different ways on how you can get in these positions. So let's take a quick look at awesome water restoration. I do like the layout of your website. I like how you did the up here on your brand. Let's kind of move down here. Looks like you do have some keywords embedded in your content, which is a plus. And scroll down and it ends there. So looks like you got about 200 words of content. Now keep in mind Google loves about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content, with about every 250 words of that, which are these keywords here. So you kind of want them structured close together like this, but that's usually what Google looks for. So overall, I love your website. You do have these clickables here. You have a contact us. So just a quick look at your competitor. Now we have United Water Restoration Group, and here is their website. They also have some clickables with some drop downs. They do have some content and lots of it. So from the looks of it here, it looks like they have about, I would say about 1,000, just by looking up here, 1,000 to 1,200 words of content. And just keep in mind, these guys are at the top position, and content is king. So the second thing that I do want to talk about is your keywords, and let's talk about backlinks and backlinking. So let's just say that we type in awesomewatertx.com. Now this is a live view of what your website is doing right now through a tool called Ahrefs. Now it looks like you have no power through here in the Google space, along with your trust rating is down. But from the looks of it, you're not getting very much traffic through your website. So, I mean, the way we see it is a website is pretty much an investment, right? So you want to make sure that your investment works for you. Now let's take a quick look at your keywords. You got about 35 keywords that you're using. This is the volume that it's bringing, and anybody can use this tool. You could purchase this and use it as well to upgrade and make changes to your website. So let's take a quick look at your competitors' website right now. So it looks like they have a whopping 13.5K of traffic going through their website. Now we have access to all these keywords and everything, so keep in mind you can optimize your website just like theirs, and with proper SEO backlinking, you can get it up there as well on the front page. So in a nutshell, that's pretty much what it entails. I really do appreciate your time today. So let's do a quick recap. Now, keep in mind when you type in water damage restoration, San Antonio, you get the sponsors up here. It's one way. Second way I need to be found is where 30% of your business comes from is these three areas here. And we just, like I said, we just got to do what they're doing and then some, including adding citations and also optimizing your business profile. Remember these this organic section here, United Water Restoration Group is the top slot here. So if you happen to need a guide in any of this, feel free to call me. My name is Joshua. I'm with Peterson SEO. You can reach me at 505-331-7995, or you can reach me Joshua at PetersonSEOconsulting.com. Thank you, Stephanie, for your time. And with that, I hope to hear from you soon. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye now.